Hello everybody, welcome back to Pikachu's channel, Pika Pika. Today's video is going to be about making a grilled cheese sandwich using one of these sandwich makers. So what you're going to need is your type of bread, whatever you prefer. It could be white, wheat, sourdough bread, whatever. Then you're going to want to use mayonnaise or butter, whatever you prefer, on one of your slices and put that on. Okay, then you're going to want to put your cheese on. Like that. Try to hurry up because this is already hot and it's heating and like I don't want to like burn it out or whatever. So, here we go. Here we go.
Okay, now you just warm it up and then you stick it in.
I know, babe. Ready? I'm scared. Are you ready?
Wait, no, what are you doing?
What?
You can't put anything wet in there?
How are you supposed to do it?
No, this is not for wet.
Why not? It's how it cooks.
No,
Yeah.
the bread's dry. Let me show you, watch.
No, you don't do it from the inside. I don't cook mine like that. You
What
do,
are you
but I
talking
don't.
about?
I don't put stuff in the inside where my cheese is at. I don't do it like how you do. I do mine different.
Well, flip the bread around then.
That's not how I do mine, babe.
Those are not supposed to get wet.
Why?
Because they're not supposed to.
I don't get it. Okay, never mind. I'm only gonna make mine on the stove. Okay. Anywho, yeah. Bye-bye.